Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn one more widgets of Flutter that is called InkWell. So how we can use InkWell and how InkWell help you to make your widgets, you can say clickable. So that we are going to learn. Suppose here I have a text widgets and here I say use of InkWell widget, for example. And here I say style of this text style. I say font size should be 15. Save it and you see use of InkWell. Widgets are coming. Now suppose I put this under the container here, and here in container it's showing me that we should put some property of the container. Okay, so I can use container here, and so I put this text in a container. And suppose I want to make this particular text as a clickable. I click on this and it behave like a button. So I want this into the center also. So in place of container, I can also change to a center. That would be better. Like this, save this, and automatically we are in the center. Now I can put text alignment to the center like this, and you see that we have a text style like this, and we have alignment of text into the center. This is the center widget. I have explained each and every widgets in previous videos also. Now I want to show you that what is the use of InkWell widgets. So this is a small application. We have a text, we are using center widgets, we have this. I want to click on this and want to perform some task. You see that this is not a button. So if you want to perform a clickable event on any particular widgets, that is not a button, because button is the widgets for click event. But here this text is not the button and don't have a click event. So you want to convert this text into clickable button. So just put here center, or you can put on text also, because center is a big one. So put this text here and I say alt enter, and I say under the widgets I want to set this. So I can change the name of this widgets to InkWell. I say InkWell like this. Remember, and under this we have a property. We have a on tab, on double tab, long press. So you can use whatever you want, but I'm showing you that we have a on tab property, and this property have the this function, and I want to use here the flutter toast dot show toast, and here we have a message that I say you click on InkWell widget and do this and do this. Now this is by default property of this toast, and if now I click, just I save this first. Now I click on this. You see, you click on InkWell widget, it's coming. Click here, coming here, down, click here, coming here. You see more property of toast you can decide here, like you can say length, toast length. So I say toast dot short duration of time. You can say background color also, colors dot I can say green color like this. Then you can say gravity also, where you want to display. I say toast gravity dot center like this. Other property you can also set. Save this, and once I click here, and you will see that we are displaying this here, and I can say display this to the bottom like this. Save this. I click here, and you will see that in the bottom we have, and not only on tab, you may use on long press. Okay, I say on, and you will see that we have on double tab, on hover, on long, means all kind of on tab down, all kind of events are available here which you want. So you can create any particular widgets as a clickable widgets, and you see this type of things are coming, it's behaving like a button. So you can decide the radius of this also. So suppose tab is there, I say radius, border radius, and I say border radius dot circular. Here I pass the value 20. Save this, and you see when I click border radius, and I can say color, highlight color, hover color, so splash color. So I say splash color, I say colors dot purple. Save this, and you see I click here, and you see flash color is also coming, and I can say highlight color, colors dot I say white. Save this, and you see that click here, and you see, so there's some effect are there. We have a focus color also, colors dot, I can say green color for the focus. Save this, and you see that highlight color is white when I click, and this color is coming, and focus color will come only when we have two items here, and then one will have a focus. So there are so many types of property available in InkWell. It's a can say utility widgets which we use to make any particular widgets as a button widgets. Okay, remember that. So if you have a card, you want to convert card as a button, you can do this. We have a text here only, then we can convert text is also like this. But in place of text, if I have a card, so I can make card also as a clickable widgets. So this is the use of InkWell. It's a most important widgets which we require sometime in Flutter application. So I think you learn here how to use InkWell. If you like this, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.